Are you the one? Investigating the genome, researching disease, developing diagnostics, turning insights into therapies. We're riding a new wave of genomics and medicine with next-gen sequencing, cloud computing, and exponential data generation. We all face the same challenge: making sense of data in silico, in the lab, or the clinic. Scientists at the bench investigating genes and mechanisms of disease, drug targets and toxicity, and clinical researchers evaluating novel biomarkers and drug responses. Or clinicians seeking improved diagnosis, therapies tailored to a patient's genome. What if you had all the world's genomic data at your fingertips? The best in silico tools for research and clinical decision-making, just a click away. Welcome to NextBio. NextBio is the world's largest collection of continuously curated genomic knowledge in a secure cloud-based environment. Data from multiple repositories, diverse technologies and experiments, and thousands of patients, systematically curated and analyzed through sophisticated algorithms integrated on a single platform, where NextBio's innovative data correlation engine computes billions of novel connections waiting to be explored. Use NextBio's powerful analytical and visualization tools to take your genomic data all the way from the instrument to interpretation with ease, fidelity, and speed. As a researcher, you can discover genomic signatures for tissues and diseases, identify and validate biomarkers, find new indications for existing drugs. As a clinician, you can explore a patient's genome to improve disease diagnosis and personalized therapy. Finding the answers begins with asking your questions on the right platform. Our technology, your insights. We make it possible, you make it happen. Welcome to NextBio.